Cybercrime is a broad term used to describe fraudulent activity by someone to obtain your sensitive information, to perhaps steal your money out of your bank account or steal your identity. When it comes to dealing with our office, we of course have sensitive information on your behalf, including your medical records, your claim history, attorney-client privileged information that you've given us about you and your family. You're always going to get calls from our office number in downtown Conroe. There is a client portal number that you will receive text messages from throughout your case. That number will not change. It's going to be the same number. If it ever does change, you're going to be given notice of that from our office. If you get a call from our office and you question whether it's from our office, then just tell the caller, hey, I'm going to get off the line here and I'm going to call the office directly because I feel a little uncomfortable, or you and I have never spoken before, and just hang up the phone and then call the office directly and then ask for the team member, or ask for the paralegal or legal assistant that's assisting you at that time. All the emails you get from our office are going to be at scottlawfirmtx.com. So if you get an email and it's questionable, and this applies for anything really, always look at where that email is coming from. From time to time, there may be a separate vendor, or perhaps maybe a medical records company that may need to speak to you directly about something, and we may put them in touch with you, but you're always going to have advance notice of that. Our office is never going to ask you for your login information, for your passwords to certain websites. At times, if we're trying to help obtain medical records through some type of provider's portal and you're having problems logging in, a lot of times what we'll do is we'll have you come into our office and walk you through that process. We're not going to be asking you for logins or passwords on the phone. So in short, we want to protect your confidential information. We have an obligation under the law to protect that. We work very hard to protect your confidential, sensitive information. And you just need to be aware, both in terms of dealing with our law firm and just in general, to be aware that people are out there and there's scams that do exist. And so if it doesn't seem right, then definitely just bring it to our attention.